Hello, thank you for visiting my channel today. In today's video, I would like to share with you some information on a job opportunity that you may be interested in. So sit back, relax, and I will go through this with you. CVS Health is hiring a customer service representative in the healthcare benefits department. This position is fully remote. In the job description, the role of the customer service representative is to be a customer focused, courteous, empathetic service professional who effectively uses knowledge of plans, products, procedures, and systems to provide information and resolve issues, resulting in enhanced customer satisfaction and retention. This is a work from home role based in the state of Pennsylvania. The customer service representative position is Aetna, window to our member provider physicians and hospitals. As a customer service representative, the image you project over the telephone and how you handle the caller situation is the public perception of Aetna. So we provide a human connection when it is needed most. The typical pay range for this role is a minimum of $17 per hour and a maximum of $27.90 per hour. Please keep in mind that this range represents the pay range for all positions in the job grade within which this position falls. The actual salary offer will take into account a wide range of factors, including location. Required qualifications: experience in a production environment, customer service experience in transaction based environments such as call center or retail location preferred, demonstrating ability to be empathetic and compassionate, strong communication and problem solving skills, empathy towards customers' needs and concerns, strong computer navigation and typing skills, ability to manage multiple tasks in a transaction, high volume based environment. Preferred qualifications: health insurance preferred but not required, Microsoft Office Suite, at least 1 year in a call center setting. Education: high school diploma, GED, or equivalent experience. The business overview, and these are CVS words verbatim. We want everyone who works at CVS Health to feel empowered by the role they play in transforming our culture and accelerating our ability to innovate and deliver solutions to make healthcare more personal, convenient, and affordable. We strive to promote and sustain a culture of diversity, inclusion, and belonging every day. CVS is an affirmative action employer and is an equal opportunity employer, as are the physician owned businesses for which CVS Health provide management services. We do not discriminate in recruiting, hiring, promotion, or any other personal action based on race, ethnicity, color, national origin, sex, gender, sexual orientation, gender, identity, or expression, religion, age, disability, protected veteran status, or any other characteristic protected by applicable federal, state, or local law. We proudly support and encourage people with military experience, such as active veterans, reservists, and National Guard, as well as military spouses, to apply for CVS Health job opportunities. If you scroll to the bottom, you will find a email address, and a phone number if you're having technical issues. And it also offers information for the virtual job tryout if you're having technical issues to call or send an email. And they will promptly connect with you. Okay, so to take you to some other information, I clicked over to individual and disabilities for some questions that we should know about, which is good information when applying for a job with CVS. You scroll down till you get to this section where it says, should I self-identify or additional resources? And they're here to make the application process as easy as possible. So first should I identify, you can read this and to let you know that the self-identify is strictly confidential and it is voluntarily. You don't have to if you don't want to. So you can read this and it'll give you all the details and how do you know if you have a disability? There's things maybe we don't know. So we can take that. Next, they have the application process. Click that. And this is what they say here. Down here it has step 1. First, do a job search. Step 2, be sure to complete the application in full, including previous experience. When your application is complete, you will receive a confirmation email. Step 3, note the timing varies depending on the number of applicants. A recruiter will review your application. To check the status of your application, please log back into your account. Step 4, interviews. If you are selected for an interview, a recruiter will arrange a phone call or an interview with you. If you are selected for the next step in the interview process, you will be invited to follow-up interviews with the hiring manager. There are 300K colleagues across all 50 states, Washington, D.C., and Puerto Rico. Step 5, if you are selected, hiring manager will contact you. Every one of us at the CVS Health shares a single clear purpose, bringing our heart to every moment of your health. Congratulations, welcome to CVS Health Team. As a colleague, you'll receive a comprehensive benefit package that includes competitive, flexible, and personalized programs that can help support you through all your moments of health. And we hope to welcome you soon. So then we can scroll up and we can go over to benefits just to do a quick look at them. So some of the benefits, total rewards at CVS. They have holistic healthcare benefits. You can enroll in that. This is the medical and prescription, dental, vision, supplemental health plans, fixed indemnity plan, CVS pharmacy prescription discount, savings on minute clinic services, and Thrive Wellbeing platform to reduce stress and focus and improve your overall well-being and more. So, you've got your paid time off, support you and your loved ones. That's child and elder care, tutoring, college, and a career with a heart, a degree for free, student loan refinancing, career and cross training. And there are many ways to help you save here. They also have a virtual job tryout process. And to let you know, this is a online assessment that they provide for you to complete. Not all jobs have tryouts, but some do, and they will let you know whether you have to do one once they contact you by email. And you can go over here and read what a virtual job tryout is. Also, they help you with the resume interview and tips. You can click here and read that information if you need help with your resume and tips. Write a cover letter, complete an application, start an application. And also, they have the accessibility at CVS Health. Need assistance? Do you need accommodations? And you can call and let them know, or you can email them. Also, they have abilities and abundance program. The abilities and abundance program, news and insights. To see that what they're working with and what they're doing in the communities. Also, they have support initiatives. So CVS Health initiatives in support of individuals with disabilities. And you can read this from 1997 to 2020 if you're interested in seeing what they have done and still are doing. And those are good things to read, check out. And if you're not ready to apply, so be the first to know about CVS Health jobs. Joining our talent community allows us to send you company news, industry updates, and new job opportunities. And you can join our talent community. So you click here. That's if you're not ready to apply. And you can enter your first name, last name, email address, mobile phone, and, yes or no if you authorize CVS to communicate with you. And you can upload a resume if you like, and a LinkedIn profile, postal zip code. Please select your top 3 areas of interest. So you can select 3 topics, 3 areas that you're interested in working in, and career change timing, when you're ready for a job, ready to make a change, might be interested in the next 6 months, and on and on. You can read that. And also, you can click here to receive our newest jobs by email. Please check here and select your criteria for jobs below. So you click here and you join. But if you want to apply for the job here, then all you have to do is click here to apply. And you'll start off with your email and password if you are already signed in or have signed up. If not, you could be a new user and create an account with your email password, confirm password. And then you can follow the step-by-step instructions. They have some security questions for you, and you agree to the privacy policy, electronic acknowledgement. Then you create your account. And then you can upload your resume, cover letter, and proceed step by step. And you may have an assessment and you may not. There is a background check. I'm not certain, but there may be a drug screening test. So, this is all I have for you today. If you find this information of value or interesting to you, give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not done so, or if this is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe and click the bell to get notified of more job opportunities. And have a great rest of your day.